Dynamic Cables expands beyond power cables, launches premium B2B building wires. Dynamic Cables has announced its entry into the building wires segment with the launch of PVC insulated flame retardant low smoke halogen wires, including FRLSH and heat resistant FRLSH variants. This marks a strategic extension of the company's existing capabilities in the power cables business. The newly launched building wires are positioned as premium products engineered using high conductivity electrolytic grade copper. They are insulated with specially formulated flame retardant and heat resistant PVC compounds, designed to offer enhanced safety, durability, and thermal stability across residential, commercial, institutional, and infrastructure projects. Importantly, the products comply with BIS certification under IS 694 standards. They are manufactured using lead-free compounds, making them eco-friendly green wires compliant with RoHS and REACH environmental regulations. This aligns the company with growing demand for sustainable and safety-focused electrical solutions. From a strategic standpoint, Dynamic Cables has clearly chosen a B2B first approach. The company will cater exclusively to the projects market segment at this stage, including large residential developments, commercial complexes, industrial units, and infrastructure projects. This means the focus will be on bulk institutional demand rather than retail electrical shops. Supply will be routed through established channels such as builders and developers, EPC contractors, project consultants, government buyers, and industrial clients. The company may also use project-focused distributors to strengthen reach within this segment. There are currently no plans to enter the retail segment, indicating that management wants to leverage its existing project-based engagement DNA. This calibrated expansion reduces competitive pressure that is typically intense in the retail wires segment, where branding and dealer margins play a significant role. By focusing on project-based B2B supply, Dynamic Cables can utilize its established relationships and technical credibility in the power cables business. In terms of manufacturing strategy, the products will initially be produced at the company's existing plant. This pilot rollout approach suggests limited upfront capital expenditure and controlled risk. The management intends to evaluate market response before committing to significant capacity expansion. Over the next 3 to 4 quarters, the company plans to closely monitor demand visibility, margin profile, scalability, and return metrics. Any decision regarding capacity augmentation or major capital allocation will be taken only after achieving adequate comfort on sustainable profitability. From a broader industry perspective, the building wires segment is structurally growing due to urbanization, real estate expansion, infrastructure development, and rising safety awareness. Premium FRLSH and HRFRLSH wires are increasingly preferred in modern projects due to fire safety norms and environmental considerations. Management commentary from Ashish Mangal, Managing Director, emphasizes that this move is a natural extension of the company's core expertise. The approach is described as calibrated and aligned with the company's enterprise DNA, focusing on B2B customers and leveraging both existing relationships and new client additions. Strategically, this expansion can help Dynamic Cables diversify revenue streams beyond traditional power cables. However, the success of this initiative will depend on competitive positioning, pricing discipline, margin sustainability, and the ability to secure repeat project orders. Key monitorables going forward include order inflow from large projects, contribution of the building wires segment to overall revenue mix, margin profile compared to the core power cables business, and any announcement regarding dedicated capacity expansion. Overall, the entry into FRLSH and HRFRLSH green building wires represents a measured and strategically aligned diversification step for Dynamic Cables. With a controlled pilot launch, B2B focus, and sustainability positioning, the company is attempting to build a long-term scalable opportunity without aggressive capital risk in the initial phase. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.